Hey there and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be taking a look at this GHD hair dryer, which I have bought from somebody quite cheap. I would say like maybe 5 to 10 euros. So the thing is that it doesn't work on the first speed here, and on the second one it's vibrating and making a lot of noise. You see? And it's also not getting any hot air. So I'm gonna try disassembling it and see what causes the vibration. So let me get what I need and I'm gonna start disassembling. Alright, so after a close first look, all I can see is this pallet here is broken, and I think it can work without it, but I'm not so sure. And also right here where the screw should have been inside, the half where the screw should screw in, it's glued to the wrong side. It should be down here, not here. And that's all I can see wrong with it now. I'll have to get myself a key to open this. I mean to unscrew this nut here. And I'll see you guys after I get what I need to open it. Alright, so while the glue is drying for that pallet, I'm gonna start removing the hair from here. Alright, this was super easy. Here is the hair that has been staying here. Alright, next thing I'm gonna try to take this piece out and glue it where it should be glued. Alright, I managed to break this out. I'm gonna try cleaning some of this adhesive from here and glue this back where it should. So I'm gonna put everything in the position right now and start gluing. Alright, so now I'm gonna try gluing this back where it should be. Alright, so I have finished gluing. This is the new palette that I have created, and here is the post for the screw, which I have glued back, and it's holding quite good. So now I'm gonna disassemble a little bit more, see if I can spot anything wrong with this. Okay, so this seems to be good. So I'm gonna take some oil and put at these bearings here and here, see if I can make it smoother. Okay, I've decided to take everything apart from the housing and see if I can spot anything else wrong. Alright, so this is why it's not blowing hot air, because the heating element is broken. Okay, so I'm gonna take a closer look at this, and also I'm gonna clean everything, and I'll be back with more details. Alright, so I managed to put these wires together, here and here. And now I'm gonna put the whole hairdryer back together and see if it works. So I'm not gonna show you the assembly process, because it's just the opposite of the disassembly that you have seen earlier. So I'm gonna show you guys the results after I try this. Alright, I have finished reassembling the hairdryer, and it now works, as you can hear. There is no more vibration, and the hot air is working also. The only problem is that it works only on the second gear here. I mean, at the first speed it's nothing, at the second speed it's working. And also the cold air shot, it's working also. So I'm gonna have to disassemble it again and see if I can make something with the first speed here. Alright, so I think I'm gonna show you guys if I find the problem. And right now I have to remove this button here. I have popped it out from one side. I'm gonna put some tweezers inside here and apply a little bit of pressure while popping it out from the other side. Like this. Alright, so let me explain to you the problem. this tweezer. Okay, so as you can see, this is the pin which controls the first speed, and this is the second speed. So the first speed is not making contact, and all you have to do is to take this here and try twisting it down. Sorry for the camera, it's sliding. So as I was saying, you just need to twist it down a little bit, just like so. So let's see if it works. It works. So this was it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and see you next time.